Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video, I want to show you how to make fresh ricotta from just 3 ingredients: milk, vinegar, and a little bit of salt. Add the milk to a saucepan and bring it to a simmer on medium-low heat. When the milk is almost boiling, turn the heat off and add the vinegar. Quickly mix it together and let it sit for about 1 minute. You'll see curds forming on the top. Gently take the curds into a strainer. Let it drain for about 1 hour. Place it in a bowl and using a fork you can mix in the salt. My ricotta is ready. Now I can use it for my cannolis or other Italian pastries. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.